Animals, animals. Baby animals, baby animals. Bird, bird. Lion, lion. Monkey, monkey. Elephant, elephant. Baby bird, baby bird. Nestling, baby lion, baby lion. Cub, baby monkey, baby monkey. Infant, baby elephant, baby elephant. Calf, baby cat, baby cat. Kitten, kitten. Baby dog, baby dog. Puppy. A baby cat is called a kitten. A baby bird is called a nestling. A baby monkey is called an infant. A baby lion is called a cub. A baby elephant is called a calf. Mom and dad, parents. Mom and dad, parents. Child, child. Children, children.